Next, the next chapter is derivatives. For limits objective, we want the derivative formulas also. So read these derivative formulas also. Write down. D means derivative. Derivative of constant. Derivative of C is a constant. Derivative of any constant equal to 0. Next, derivative of C into f of x equal to C into derivative of f of x. What is the difference between these two? This C is the individual constant. This C is the coefficient of the x function, coefficient of the x. So derivative of any individual constant is 0. Derivative of C into f of x, write C as it is, derivative of f of x. Next, derivative of x equal to 1, derivative of x power n into x power n minus 1, n into x power n minus 1, derivative of root x, derivative of root x equal to 1 by 2 root x. D means derivative. Derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. Minus 1 by x square. Derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square. Next, derivative of e power x. Derivative of e power x equal to e power x. Derivative of a power x. A power x equal to a power x into log a. A power x into log a. A is a constant. Small a is a constant. Small a is a constant. Next, derivative of sin x. Derivative of sin x equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. Derivative of tan x. Derivative of tan x secant square x. Derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x. Derivative of secant x. Secant x into tan x. Secant x into tan x. Derivative of cosecant x minus cosecant x into cosecant x into cot x, cosecant x into cot x. Next, derivative of, this is called a sine inverse. Sine inverse, derivative of sine inverse x, 1 by under root 1 minus x square, 1 by under root 1 minus x square, derivative of cos inverse x minus 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Observe these two formulas, sine inverse x, cos inverse x. Function is same, 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Only difference is plus 1 minus 1, plus 1 and minus 1. Derivative of tan inverse x, 1 by 1 plus x square, derivative of cot inverse x minus 1 by 1 plus x square, 1 plus x square. Next, observe these two also, plus 1 minus 1, only difference is plus and minus. Derivative of secant x, derivative of secant x, x into 1 by x into under root x square minus 1, derivative of cosecant inverse x, cosecant inverse x minus 1 by x into under root x into under root x square minus 1, x square minus 1. Difference is plus 1 and minus 1. So difference between sine inverse, cos inverse, only plus and minus. Difference between derivatives of tan inverse and cot inverse, plus 1 and minus 1. Difference between derivatives of secant inverse, cosecant inverse, plus 1 and minus 1. These are the differentiation formulas. These are also very, very important in limits to shortcut, limits to objective. So read these formulas very, very seriously. Okay. Write down. Next, derivative of uv, u dash v plus v dash u, derivative of uv, u into v dash plus v into u dash, where u and v are functions in x. U and v are functions in x. Write down. Where u and v are functions in x.